Down to the right wing. Rashid Farid was delivered inside. Chance to deliver the half volley and a shot. Well, UPDF again open up the account at the Lugazi Football Club Stadium. Oh, the player Samuel Sekamate. This season holding back his Sextoleko Freedom Mungudit referee. Coming through. That is that player Agrie. We are trying to frustrate Freedom Mungudit, holding back Freedom Mungudit. Richard Anyama, all eyes on Semugugu. And again, UPDF now counting on Anyama. Sam Semugugu! Goalkeeper set. Saka Sharif, controlled by Semugugu. Oboa. Shoot comes in from Oboa. Oh! What a pillar strike against Emmanuel Oboa. UPDF want to reply. Sekamate takes it. Well saved by the hands of the goalkeeper. The back of Christopher Kamago. Ball dropped inside here. Coming in from Agrechi. Chance here for Janjali. Oh, UPDF Football Club draw matters.